Remeya dared to create. Remeya is an integrated industrial and trading company specializing in customized CNC equipment. Our factory spans over 20,000 square meters, where we've assembled a team of more than 20 senior engineers and over 120 skilled technicians. 5 intelligent workshops operate in synergy, forming a complete industrial chain from R&D to mass production. With over a decade of accumulated expertise in CNC technology, our equipment serves nearly 1,000 specialized applications including stone carving, precision woodworking, flexible material cutting, automotive component manufacturing, and high-precision metal cutting. We deliver intelligent solutions perfectly adapted to each industry's requirements.
Стремимо вы можете настроить все, а светоустройство и логотип напряжения под ваши нужды.
Our factory is about 10 minutes drive from Jinan West Railway Station and efficiently connects with global customers.
Siempre que lo que necesite, contará con nosotros. Nuestros equipos profesionales en inglés, español, francés y ruso estarán a su disposición las 24 horas para ayudarle a usted. Au plaisir de collaborer avec vous pour notre réussite commune. Welcome to Remeya.